One of the features of crabs is their ability to live for a long time. Some of these animals can live 30 years or more, up to about 50 years, which is truly remarkable. Crabs have bodies covered with hard, colorful shields, which enable them to withstand harsh environmental conditions. A unique trait of crabs is their ability to molt several times throughout their life. Another feature of this strange marine animal is that despite aging, they do not lose their physical strength and energy. In fact, sometimes they become even stronger. This is not a recent discovery, as scientists have been aware of this characteristic of crabs for many years. As they age, crabs increase their ability to produce energy and maintain their bodily health. This allows them to remain in deep waters for extended periods and make the most of their food resources. One of the main reasons for this phenomenon is the crab's ability to cleanse their bodies of toxins and pollutants. As they grow older, their immune system improves, enabling them to better combat various environmental pollution factors. Aging is a natural process that occurs in all animals, but in some cases, it can have different effects due to changes in living conditions or the biological characteristics of the animal. With aging, crabs gain more experience in facing various environmental challenges, hunting and capturing prey, which strengthens their muscles and endurance. Another reason crabs become stronger as they age is their better adaptation to the environment. Over time, crabs develop greater abilities to find food, hide, and pursue their prey. These capabilities make crabs progressively stronger and more resilient. Moreover, aging enhances certain senses in crabs. For example, their hearing improves as they age, allowing them to hear the cries of prey and even the calls of other crabs. This ability enables crabs to seize the best opportunities for hunting and capturing prey. The nature of crabs is such that during the cold season, they retreat beneath the sand and mud along the seashore or at the seabed. Similarly, as the weather warms up, they emerge from the sand and come out of the water. They bask in the sunlight to absorb certain essential vitamins needed for their bodies. Due to cold conditions, they sometimes stay hidden under the sand for 3 To compensate for the vitamins and energy they have consumed, they may remain under the sun for several days. Some studies have shown that as crabs age, they develop greater resilience against challenging living conditions, such as fluctuations in temperature and water pressure. Ultimately, based on conducted research, it can be concluded that crabs grow stronger as they age. These characteristics position them as powerful and experienced members of aquatic ecosystems. playing a significant role in maintaining the balance of these ecosystems. This astonishing fact highlights the remarkable abilities and high adaptability of these creatures to their environment. However, further studies and precise research are still needed to investigate and confirm this phenomenon,